Hey everybody, it's Jessica, the Nomadic Owl Oracle, and I'm here to do our monthly card pull for the month of May of 2021. Now, I know I'm a few days late. I just moved, so I've had a lot of things going on, so please bear with me this month, guys, because I am going to be running a little bit behind. But as you can see, I'm in my new space. So this reading is going to be for the general collective. It's not going to resonate for everyone, and it is the general theme of what we need to know for the month of May of 2021. Now, keep in mind, if you watch this at a later time, this might resonate for you then. Whenever it resonates, if it resonates, then it's for you at that time. I do read in energies, not based on sexes, so keep that in mind if I say he or she. Another thing to keep in mind is I might cuss. So if you don't like cussing, go ahead and click off of this video. And as always, if you would like to schedule your own personal reading with me, please feel free to reach out. All of my information is listed below in the comment box and also in the details of this video. So guys, without any further delay, I'm going to start shuffling our cards. I do want to show you what deck I'm using this month. So I'm using the Spirit Animal Oracle for our card of the month for this month. And this is one of my favorite decks. So let's see what we need to know as a collective for our highest good and our highest light for this month of May of 2020. We are in Taurus energy, if I could hold on to the cards. So there's a lot of things going on. We have a new moon on Tuesday, which is the 11th of May, and we just had a card pop out. So I'm going to take that one, guys. So the card that we have for this month is the Vulture Spirit. It says nothing is wasted. So what I'm getting here, a lot of people really don't like these birds, but I don't take them as a bad thing. Vultures are very opportunistic. They're very intelligent. They're very smart. They're also able to pioneer and live in ecosystems and environments that other people, places, and things would not do well in. So it's saying nothing is wasted. What I'm getting is that this month is a time of lessons, a time of learning how to make the best of a situation. Possibly there might be a lot of trying times and tests that come up this month, but know that you have the skills, you have the talent, you have the ability to be able to thrive and live and do better than most people would during this month. So try to stay positive, try to see the lessons in the situation so that you don't repeat cycles that you don't wish to, and push forward. So guys, if you need me, I'm here to help any way that I can. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. If you need me, please reach out. I will see you soon, and I will be doing as many videos as possible in the next few days. So I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.